How to reset Windows 10 PC without losing data. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Go to Settings, then click on Update and Security. In here, on the left side, you will find File Backup. Click on Add a Drive, then back up all your files. After that, simply go to Recovery. Then click on Get Started, which is below Reset this PC. You'll find two options. Click on Keep My Files. You can do Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. And you're good to go. That's how you reset Windows 10 PC without losing data. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.